where none had been. It whispers tales of seasons past, of roots that hold when storms won't last. Its waters flow both deep and wide, a mirror to the changing tide. It teaches patience, strength and grace, to face the trials we can't replace. And oh, I don't want to guide your soul. Let it teach you how to be. Oh, the river knows what we get. See, life flows best when it's set free. Along its base, the wildflowers bloom, painting the air with sweet perfume. The birds above sing songs of peace, a melody that will not cease. Each bend of views a brand new view, a reminder life begins anew. Like rivers we must learn to bend, to find a path where joys extend. Oh, Lord, for what guide your soul. Let it teach you how to be. Oh, the river knows what we can. See, life knows best when it's set free. Follow the current, don't fight the stream. Trust in the journey, trust in the dream. Even in darkness, there's light to find. Flow with the rhythm of heart and mind. Oh, the river runs free, forever true, guiding us home, just me and you. May we remember its gentle plea, to live like rivers, wild and free, free.